This is KiCA JetFan, a fan even smaller than your phone. Ultra mini, however, it can burst out a wind up to 11.5 meters per second. It can blow your model's hair without effort. Like this. It is far more convenient when shooting outside. Moreover, it can be an assistant for your creation. When having fun outside, JetFan can help you clean the picnic mat, inflate the cushion, blow your hair, blow off the sands, deflate the cushion, help to light a fire, blow dry socks. It also comes with a blowing nozzle, which can come in handy when doing hygiene, blow dry the gaps, clean up your computers, blow a balloon. What else? It's your turn now.